Be sure to catch the full episode on our YouTube channel or website. Speaking of lost money in the world of power sports, co-op advertising is often misunderstood and almost always underutilized. For dealership teams balancing sales, service, and day-to-day operations, chasing co-op dollars can feel like another chore. But here's the truth. Most dealerships are leaving thousands of dollars unclaimed every year. Co-op advertising funds are dollars your OEM sets aside to reimburse you for promoting its brand. These funds are earned based on your unit purchases or prior year sales. Jacob Berry of Moto Hunt offers several tips for what you can claim and which mistakes to avoid when utilizing your co-op program. Head to motorcyclepowersportsnews.com to learn more. Historically, June kicks off a pricing retreat with AWP softening 5 to 10% from spring highs.